Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So tonight we have another every plate meal. I let the kids choose out of all 6 meals that we have between every plate and dinnerly. And this is what they chose. Hey Thatcher, you can come show them. So what they chose was the Tuscan herb chicken with creamy tomato linguine. Come here, buddy. It says it takes about 5 minutes to prep. Oh, you're getting big. And 40 minutes to complete. The picture looks really yummy. Now, with this only having tomatoes in it, I think I'm going to look through the fridge and grab zucchini or some squash and add a vegetable to the side of it. I'm not going to put it in the pasta because I don't want to take away from what's in it. But a little something, we need more veggies in our diet. With these last couple of weeks on the kids, we're just not getting the same level of veggies as we're used to. But looks simple, huh? You gonna help Mama cook? Yeah? All right, say, we're gonna move you to the stove and we'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so we're all done, and as you see, we still had plenty of time. I think it was around 10 minutes whenever I actually got everything finished. So we're going to turn our timer off, but it looks super yummy. The pasta is definitely creamy. Now, one of these tomatoes were the ones that felt like it was frozen, and then it kind of thawed in the package whenever it came. I think it will still work beautifully with this. There was just like 1 or 2 little spots that I had to toss, but it was still good. You guys see it's still piping up. It turned out so pretty. I wish I had a wide pasta bowl like they have to really make the presentation even more. But it's definitely going to be enough to feed all of us. You can see the size of the amount of chicken that comes with it too. It's a very good size for what we need. Yummy and very easy to make too. And easy to duplicate. Even if you don't have the Tuscan spice for the chicken, then that's something you could still take the basis of this and run with it. Let's see, we're going to get a little bit of the pasta with the chicken. Why it's such a big bite? But the pasta is nice. Actually goes really well together too. So I messed up my pretty bowl, but very yummy. We're going to sit down. I think the kids will be happy with their choice that they picked, but definite winner. Like 5 thumbs up, 5 stars, however it is. I like it, and hopefully y'all do too. But we'll see y'all next time and tomorrow for our next meal review. We'll have to see what the kids pick out of the 5 we have left. But we'll see y'all later.